My name is Vamshi. I'm the co-founder of Revalu. We enable designing and construction of low-carbon buildings. Essentially, we developed a material library that helps architects to design low-carbon buildings, as well as also real estate developers to make informed investment decisions without compromising on their sustainability and carbon targets. We basically have aggregated almost like 1 million emission data points that are enriched by AI and packaged and readily made available for architects and developers to use in their internal tools and processes. But in the last 5 to 7 years, I particularly focused on understanding how to account carbon footprint and how to report that for businesses. An architect can basically log into our platform depending on their objective, so they can look and compare and shortlist materials based on the insights and the intelligence that is coming from the platform on carbon footprint value, water footprint value, and renewable energy percentage. So there are certain KPIs, that belongs to sustainability. When we're working on understanding different markets, across the globe, we also understand that India, could also be a potential market. Two big cities kind of surfaced, in my research. And I come from South India, so it was quite natural for me to actually look, what options are readily available in South India. So the Bangalore and Hyderabad. I personally, what I like is something that is emerging, that will have, more energy, more Z, right? So Hyderabad is emerging, T-Hub is emerging, and T-Hub has become a brand. I came to Hyderabad a couple of times, to explore what T-Hub is, and all that. And within few weeks, actually, I've fallen in love with T-Hub. The kind of atmosphere that it has, ecosystem it has, everything. I got in touch with the management here. I pitched, the opportunity that India has, and given the vision that T-Hub has, envisioning to basically bring startups to this country that are going to be quite pivotal. So I think that thought process and the DNA that T-Hub has is something that is aligned with Revalu's vision as well. So they invited us to be part of their ecosystems. We moved to T-Hub. We are now part of AIC T-Hub, which is focusing on sustainability as a specific vertical, right? So they are helping us to get the leads in this specific ecosystem. In fact, today the AIC team has introduced me to two more real estate developers based out of Hyderabad. How we can help startups to leverage the potential that T-Hub has, so that they can just fly to the world and give global solutions, right? So they're thinking way beyond just Hyderabad. I specifically like AIC team because they're very proactive. All the connections that they gave me to the mentors, to the industry leads and everything, right? To the accelerator programs, to pitch events, and also even the practical solutions like introducing us to banks. Specific banks are offering for startups. It's also the practical administrative part of running a startup. T-Hub is one of the buzzword in India when it comes to startups and all.